So we had a review meeting and we reviewed the entire situation of the state. We strongly felt that though the numbers are plateauing and though the numbers are coming down in certain districts, we still cannot let our guards down because we still have not crossed or come down below our danger level. So therefore, in the cabinet today, we have decided that a lockdown, at least in East Khasi Hills, we have decided in terms of the district where it was most prevalent and the numbers are the highest today, that East Khasi Hills, the lockdown will continue. The districts in the other states, or other districts in the state also, the deputy commissioners will be given the power to decide on the lockdown. Most districts will continue with the lockdown, but the deputy commissioners will decide. But there is a rider to this. While continuing the lockdown, we also understand that people's livelihood are being affected a lot. Therefore, the cabinet has decided today that we will allow up to 20%. We will allow up to 20% of non-essential commodities to be open in different areas of the state. But that will be decided by the deputy commissioners. That means some deputy commissioners in some market areas may decide only 5% shops to be open. In some areas, they may decide 10% shops to be open. But in no circumstance will we allow more than 20% of the shops to be open in any specific market area or any particular locality, or as the case may be. But having said that, the deputy commissioners will have the power to not allow any of the markets to open in case they feel that this situation is not conducive for the non-essential commodities to be open. So therefore, that decision will be left with the deputy commissioners, but the cabinet is giving the flexibility to them to decide up to 20% of non-essential commodities to be open. West Jetri Hills district, as of today, has a positivity rate of 33%. The average state positivity rate today is 12.9%.